This video is for the 6th grade Copyright and Creative Commons Project Assignment 2, create a screencast first. Your partner should be on the script. What you're going to do is click on the File menu, click on Make a Copy, and then click OK. And then what you're going to do is just X out of the original and just keep the copy open because you won't be able to type in the original. And then you're going to click on the Share button in the top right corner and then type in your partner's email address. And then click on Send in order to send it to them. That way they'll be able to type in it as well. So then what you're going to do is you're going to go to search.creativecommons.org. You can actually click the blue link and then click the text underneath it in order to kind of just learn how to use the site. There might be a little pop-up that you can X out of. But basically what you can do is you can search any of these websites like Google Images, YouTube, Jamendo for music, a couple other different ones. And then you've got two check boxes. The first one means you can sell the stuff that's on that site legally. The second one means that you can change the stuff that's on that site legally. But anyway, so what you're going to do is you're going to write a script that you and your partner are going to read from. So here's kind of an example that I'll show you. So you just want to put like who's going to say what. You want to tell people the exact website, search.creativecommons.org. You want to tell people that you can search different websites like Google Images, videos on YouTube, and you want to explain what the two checkboxes mean. So for example, the first checkbox says used for commercial purposes, means you can legally sell what you search. Then they give an example. The second checkbox says modify, adapt, or build upon. Basically that means if you want to search something you can legally change, you would check that box. And again, you can give an example. So that's an example of a completed script. You know, you're welcome to use it as an example, but please do not copy it word for word. Change it into your own words. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to actually go ahead and add Screencastify onto our Chromebook. So you're going to click on the little circle in the bottom left corner, click on All Apps, and then click on Web Store. And what you're going to do from here is you're going to type in Screencastify. Make sure that you spell it correctly. And then hit enter on your keyboard. You're going to click on Add to Chrome. Make sure it's for Screencastify. Then you're going to click on the Add Extension button. Then from here, what we're going to do, before we actually do our recording, we're going to make it so that our pointer's a little bit bigger so that people can see what we're pointing to. So you're going to click on your picture down in the bottom right corner, click on the little gear for settings. And then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to just go ahead and you're going to click where it says search settings. You're going to type in the word cursor. Make sure you spell it correctly. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on show accessibility options in the system menu. And then you're going to go ahead and click on this little arrow right here for manage accessibility features. And then from here, you're going to scroll down to the bottom and you're going to see where it says show large mouse cursor, and you're going to go ahead and check that on, and whoa, all of a sudden it's huge. So then what you're going to do next is you can just X out of that little window and you're going to go ahead back over to the Creative Commons search tab. You're going to then click on the little Screencastify icon that just appeared. It's going to bring you to another tab. You're going to click on Set up Camera Access. Click on Allow. Then click on Next. Click on Sign In. And it's going to pop up with your account. You're going to click on it. Click on Allow. All right, and you are a student, so you're going to click Student, probably under 13 years, and click OK. So then we can just go ahead and X out of this little tab, go back over to the Creative Commons search. And from here, we'll click on the little Screencastify icon again. And then you're going to click on the little three dots next to where it says Video. You're going to click where it says 5 FPS. You're going to choose 60 FPS. It's going to make the quality of the video look better. Then you're going to check this box down here, the one that says Show Preview Window, and that's going to let you kind of see what you're recording. And then you're going to click on Record Desktop. Before you do that, make sure your volume is turned all the way up because it's going to count down. So make sure the volume's all the way up. So the button next to the power button. It's going to count down when it's going to record. And what you should do is you should have your partner have the script open so that you can read from your partner's Chromebook. So then you're going to click on Record Desktop. Click on Share. And remember, you should have your script ready.
3, 2, 1.
So at this point, it's recording, and you would go through your script and read it. And then when you're ready to stop recording your video, you're going to click on the Stop button down in the bottom right corner. And so now the video is stopped. It should open up a new tab, and basically, so at this point it's recording, and you would go through. Just going to pause it, and then it's going to show you your video, and you can kind of look through it, make sure that it is the way that you want it, and it's automatically saving it to Google Drive, and so that's it.